Hey, good afternoon, Jennifer. This is Tim Border with J.H. Barkau & Sons in Cedarville. I can be reached by phone or text at 815-718-9288. Congratulations on your recent college graduate. And here is the vehicle that you'd inquired into. It's our 2012 Honda Accord LX. Beautiful car. It's a Carfax one owner. It's been through our service department. It's been fully inspected and serviced. 65,163 miles on it. The Accord is a fabulous car. Great safety ratings, awesome fuel efficiency. Automatic transmission, radio controls, cruise control, AM/FM radio with CD player. Really nice car. Super safe. I would definitely put one of my kids in a vehicle like this. Lots of room in the trunk. Huge trunk capacity on these. I'm going to get this off to you. I do have the vehicle available here in Cedarville. My phone number again is 815-718-9288. 815-718-9288. And this is our Carfax one owner 2012 Honda Accord LX. Talk with you soon.